Hi Louis, my name is Ron Q and welcome to BTO District.
Sir Ron, tell us about yourself. What is your background?
I'm a businessman.
Okay.
Based in the United States. We're doing solar in the United States, and then here in the Philippines, we're trying to also do something like sustainable. That's why we came up with something like this. Agriculture, in its sense. We're trying to use modern way of growing some vegetables, and then we had this waffle, and then we have the koi.
Okay.
We originally started with the koi first. That's the we call it aquaponics.
Okay.
And then later on we call it hybrid. We actually use the hydroponics. So they're all combined. So later when I showed the whole vicinity to you, you get to see how we actually collect the koi poo, their poops, and then we actually use them as a fertilizer.
Okay. So you call earlier, sabi mo sa akin, sir, you call it BTO District?
BTO District.
What does BTO stand for?
BTO stands for better than organics. Kasi ito na nga we're trying to come up with something like vegetable or any crop that is free from any radicals, free from any pesticides, free from any fungicide.
Okay.
So we try to attain that word organic because of nowadays we have a lot of people are getting to start eating vegetable salad. Especially some gyupsal.
Yes.
So we are kind of like responsible if they don't know what's in the vegetable. Especially when you cook it, we're fine.
Yes.
If it's gonna go to the high temperature, you're gonna kill the bacteria. But if it's raw, that's something different.
Correct.
We want to make sure whatever they put inside their stomach is something free from any chemicals.
Okay. Lastly, before we get into each section, so in a nutshell, sir, can you give us ano ba yung mga section natin dito sa district?
Well, we have in the BTO district we have the aquaponics, which is the Mizukoi or the Izumikoi. Mizukoi. Okay. Pero now that we call it now, we're gonna change it into Izumi. Kasi
what does Izumi mean?
Is water fountain. So mas maganda ngayon yun. So we are kind of like trying to breed koi, the Japanese jewels, and if I will show it to you later, we're trying to surpass Japan's breeding facilities.
Really?
So you will like it.
Okay.
And then at the same time, they're all connected to the hydroponics because we're actually like collecting the poo-poo from the Mizukoi or the Izumikoi. And then we use it as a fertilizer to all vegetables. And the vegetables is what we use to our Waffle House. Well, people are asking why Waffle House. If you notice, the spelling is Waffle House.
Yeah.
It's Kapampangan.
Parang colloquial na di ba?
Kapampangan. If you're gonna ask the Kapampangan to pronounce that, they're gonna get it right. Waffle. Sabi natin, waffin niya.
Waffin.
But you know what? People will understand later why we're using Waffle. The Waffle, WAPOL, stands for We Are Planters of Lettuce.
Wow!
You get it?
Galing naman.
Okay, let's go to the breeding ponds. So this one right here, look at the fish. We collect the poo-poo right here, and it goes to this one. These are our vortex brewer.
What do you call it?
Vortex brewer.
Oh yeah, I've seen this one.
Yeah, yan ang mga filtration and everything. That's where they collect the nitrates and everything.
Yes, correct.
So and then we use the grow beds as a grow out for our different kinds of varieties of kois.
So yung mga kois po, nandito sa mga malalaking palanggana.
You notice it's circular. So when they swim, they think it's infinite.
There you go. There you go. It has no parang, what do you call it, edge? Or,
yes. And they love swimming around.
Correct.
And we also train them to eat this kind of food. I think azola. These are azola.
Ito yung sa mga ano?
Yes, sa mga tilapia rin.
Fish ponds, tilapiahan.
We train them to eat like this.
So, yun guys, when you roam around in this place, ito yung sa right side natin, yung Waffle House.
Yeah.
So we are now approaching, what do you call it again, sorry?
The hydroponics.
Hydroponics, okay.
Come here.
Better than organics. Yun.
So this is where the poo-poo goes. Ito yung mga, yan. Para silang nutrient solution.
So, paano sir? Parang underground sila?
Underground, Para silang nutrient solution,
And then it goes up again.
Yes, and then they go here.
And then parang nadidistribute.
And it's a recirculating.
Okay lang, sir?
Yes. recirculating.
Mm.
So itong mga to nakapagpag-grow kami, ang traditional soil,
Yes.
nasa mga 45 days.
45 days.
Itong mga to nasa 28 days lang. Ganun na sila kalaki.
Ooh.
And then we're not using soil. These are like coco peat.
Yes, coco peat.
Organic din
Correct,
yan.
correct.
And then we boil them. We boil
Para
them.
maalis yung bacteria.
Exactly.
Correct, correct.
So ganun sila kalinis.
Yes. And then, volume natin, sir. Like, how many? Kilo or ton? How do you measure it?
Every greenhouse we have like 2,800.
2,800.
800 average na heads of lettuce.
Yes, there you go.
And sa laki ng mga lettuces naman, 1 kilogram has 3 heads. Ganon. And then we only sell like 130, 140 per kilogram.
Yeah.
Nakita mo ito mga to? From here, you can eat it. You're so confident because you know that you didn't put any foliar.
Yeah.
You didn't put any pesticide or
Hindi
fungicide.
siya, directly na arawan or di ba?
Hindi ba nga, nakita mo, walang pinapadlapuan.
Yes,
Ganun lang sila. Ganun sila kalaki.
So,
Mas malaki pa yung nando doon. So ito yung mga nakita mo sa mga salads namin. Especially mga samgyupsalan.
This one is like super mature na.
Yeah, super mature na yan. Hindi mo na mapapano yan.
Hindi na?
Papagawin ko na sa sinigang yan. Kasi ibang
Correct, no? So
level.
at least sa sinigang, lalambot pa talaga yung ano
yes,
natin.
yes.
Grabe, ang laki nito.
Oo.
Alright, so this is the tail of the tape. Sabi na.
Ito na, tail of the tape.
Tail of the tape. So
Okay.
this is it finally, no? So yung pinaka-byproduct natin of all the mga side businesses dito is our Waffle House.
Correct.
Okay, so we're gonna get inside, guys. We're gonna take a look at their menu and of course, syempre, doon sa taas, titikman natin sila.
Pasok po kayo, let's go.
So what do we have on our menu, sir?
So actually, ang namin dito, yung pinaka-popular namin sa appetizer namin, yung carne asada fries. Sa savory waffles namin, yung divine truffle.
Okay.
So, tapos meron kami yung Fiesta Burger. Yun ang gustong-gusto nila yung Fiesta Burger.
Sir, I nakikita ko dito sa dining section ninyo. I think, correct me if I'm wrong, no? So you have like 3 sections, no?
Yes.
So this is the enclosed.
The enclosed one.
Ito yung air condition.
Yes.
And you have your second level there.
Alfresco sa taas.
And then another alfresco. Dito, ground level na.
Honestly speaking, akala ko mas maraming taong mag-stay dito dahil malamig.
Yes.
Dito sila mas
They like it better
here.
here.
Yeah. Tsaka sa taas. Ayan.
Wow.
Yun na yan.
Tapos yung mga finish natin, sir, parang yung mga container van.
Container ba pero hindi sila container?
Yes. I think that's the
Cladding
feeling.
lang na ginamit nila.
Okay. So this area or the entire how many customers can we accommodate?
Actually, if we're gonna include this one, the one in the middle, the one outside in the front, the one on top, you can hold like at least mga 160.
That's what I estimate then.
160.
So they actually have yung mga several sections dito, small group, bigger tables for
We have a lot of like features also, like coming here for meeting. May mga taga-munisipyo that come here for meeting. Gusto nila when they do meeting, iba yung ambience.
Correct.
Yeah, tahimik.
Yeah, I agree. Let's go upstairs.
Tara. Daan tayo dito.
Okay. So of course, at the end of the day, ano pong hahanapin mo sa isang lugar is the food as well.
Of course.
Can you tell us more about what we are serving here, ma'am?
We are serving Belgian waffles, syempre with the twist, no? Yung idea, it came from America, United States. And then, meron kaming ginawang parang formulation to make it more special, syempre. Yung wala pa dito sa Magalang at wala sa ganitong lugar like yung bundok.
Yes.
So, ito yung makikita niyo yung mga nakaserve.
And if you notice, guys, ito yung mga lettuce natin kanina doon.
Yes, hard to say about.
Which one is your favorite, ma'am?
Favorite ko at favorite din ng lahat itong Divine Truffle.
Divine Truffle.
So,
Pangalan pa lang, parang merong divine intervention.
try niyo po yan.
Alright, okay. So, they are gonna be the ones entertaining you guys pag pumunta kayo dito. Ayan,
Yes.
so, take a picture na sila ng one by one. Ayun. Please invite them. Please invite them. Ayan. Ayan.
We're inviting you here at WAPOL House, located at Lot 235, Livestock Village, Barangay Ayala, Magalang, Pampanga. So, what will you be seeing here is our fresh lettuces, organic, no pesticide, no fungicide. Then we also have our kois, comes in all varieties. And then here in WAPOL House na. So WAPOL House is kid-friendly, and then pwede kayong mag-family day here. Welcome in all ages naman. Welcome naman lahat. So, ayan. Yeah, pati mga pets, lahat na. Kasama na lahat. So, come and visit us here and see you guys.